Welcome to HardRider Motorcycle and Talk News. At HardRider Motorcycle, we want to bring you the news you are looking for, and we do this from our website, magazine, talk news podcast, and social media platforms. HardRider Motorcycle is the world's most complete performance news source, and is completely free with no sign-ups required. HardRider Motorcycle has channels on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram to let our readers know what is going on in performance motorcycles. HardRider eStore specializes in selling and installing nitrous oxide, superchargers and turbo kits, along with other motorcycle performance products and clothing line. HardRider Motorcycle sells and ships worldwide, and provides excellent installation assistance using Zoom calls for buyers everywhere. HardRider Motorcycle uses the PayPal payment gateway, using PayPal dollars, credit cards, and provides one of the most secure purchase shipping guarantees for purchasers in the world. Check us out for nitrous kits, turbo, supercharger and performance products. Talk News is brought to you by HardRider Motorcycle at hardridermotorcycle.com.